Most traders overcomplicate their entries. They use 15 confirmations, 20 indicators, and still lose trades every single day. But this simple 5-minute setup honestly feels like cheating sometimes, because once you understand this specific reaction in the market, you start seeing the same move happen again and again and again. And the best part, it works in literally any market: Forex, indices, crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this setup looks like and how to catch these explosive moves with high precision. And trust me, once you see this entry model, you will understand why this strategy feels completely broken. Let's go ahead and begin with our first example. And for this strategy, I want you to be on the 5-minute time frame. Now follow this move as it is developing towards the downside and follow exactly what I'm gonna show you. Let's go ahead and identify our most recent fair value gaps. This is an example of a bearish fair value gap right here. What are we gonna be doing? I'm not gonna tell you until we see what I'm gonna show you. All we will be doing for now is the following. We will be highlighting the latest fair value gaps once they're being created. Now, what I want from you is to wait for a violation of this 5-minute bearish fair value gap with a 5-minute bullish candlestick and the body of the 5-minute bullish candlestick closing above the fair value gap. In this occasion, we do have the rules being met. So what you will do in this occasion, you will take your trade, you will buy right here, and you will be placing your stop loss exactly at the bottom of this inversion fair value gap. Now for this one, I want you to go ahead and target a 5-to-1 reward to risk. Let's go ahead and see how this trade plays out. Let's create the limit order right here, buy, set the stop loss right here, and take profit right there. Good, we're good to go, let's proceed. And we are out of the trade. So Chris, what are you showing us right here? I'm showing you exactly what the others are not showing you, that you are also gonna be having losses. And if you cannot accept the losses, do not proceed with watching this video and do not proceed with your trading. Trading that we have been doing absolutely for free now. You can join our Discord. It will be free for a lifetime from now on. So go ahead, click on the links down in the description and join my Discord, which is 100% free. Do not miss the chance to enter. I have made it free so that all of you can have access. And if you want to support this channel for the free education that I'm giving to you, go ahead on the link tree, which I have down in the description as well. If you click on the first thing right here, this first link will take you to the free Discord. It is the first program, which is absolutely free. And you can go ahead and join our Discord 100% free. But you can also choose any of those beautiful prop firms as a matter of appreciation and use code ChrisFX upon checkout. And as you can see right here, first of all, I have Hola Prime, just click on it. This is an exceptional prop firm which is offering both futures and CFDs. They're offering a range of accounts ranging from 2,000 until 300k accounts, a ton of different platforms to trade from, and you can even choose between one-step, two-step, and direct accounts where you don't need to go through any valuations. You can start trading straight ahead and earn money. Furthermore, as I said, they do have futures, one-step challenges, but also direct accounts where you don't need to go through unnecessary challenges. As a matter of appreciation, you can use code ChrisFX upon checkout on Hola Prime or any other of those prop firms where I'm getting paid a small commission. I appreciate you. Let's continue with our video. Now, we were exactly right here, and we said we will keep highlighting the lowest fair value gaps when they appear. Oh, let's see, is this gonna get penetrated? Let's see, guys. No, it's not penetrated. By the way, if the penetration, that's another rule, does not happen instantly, so if you see a bearish reaction first And then the penetration, I don't want you to use this area. This FVG needs to be broken impulsively, okay? You shouldn't be seeing any form of reaction towards the bearish direction. That's another rule that I want you to remember. So no trade right here. There is no trade to be taken. We continue. Do we have a fair value gap? Yes, we do. We have this fair value gap right here. Let's see, is this gonna get violated? No, it has not been violated, but let's see. We are not done yet. Here, do we have something? I think we do have a small fair value gap. Yes, we do have a very small one, and by the way, the very small fair value gaps are also gonna be of great importance. Do not think that you need to have a large fair value gap for it to work. Do me the favor and count those ones as fair value gaps as well on the 5-minute time frame that we are trading right now, or any time frame, but this strategy applies perfectly for intraday traders on the 5-minute time frame. So let's go ahead and see if we have any other FVGs, bearish FVGs being created. We don't, but here we can see that we have violated, we have penetrated this bearish fair value gap, which is tiny of course, but this also constitutes a trade. Now right here, if I zoom in, I told you that you want to see a 5-minute body closing, 5-minute candlestick body closing above the FVG. Very nice, we have that, you take the trade. I also told you that you can place the stop loss right here at the very top, let's say, of the previous candlestick. This is one way to do it. Another way to do it that I have shown you in previous videos is to place the stop loss below the current candlestick. Whichever one you choose to work with is absolutely fine. Just repeat the same process again and again. I will be going for at least a 5-to-1 reward to risk, maybe even more with this tiny stop loss that we have right here. I am gonna buy with a market execution right here. I'm gonna set, excuse me, the stop loss we said, yeah, it's here, correct? And the take profit is all the way up here. This is at least a 5-to-1 reward to risk trade. And boom, we win this trade almost instantly. Now I told you that this stop loss makes a lot of sense because if there is impulsivity, price will most of the times, most likely will never come below this area, or it will never even come to tap on this top of the previous candlestick. So you can take your trade right there. Personally, with such a tiny stop loss right here, this is 47 ticks on Nasdaq, I would have gone for at least, let's say, a 7 or even an 8-to-1 reward to risk. And yes, this is not something fake, this is something that you can absolutely do. Let's go ahead and show yet another example. Now for this one, I'm gonna show you the opposite example, so a bearish example. By the way, in this situation where price is continuing up, you don't have a penetration of a body, so you don't need to worry about going short right here, or do you? Let's see, no you don't, so you just continue with price action. Now, which is your latest fair value gap? Your latest fair value gap is this fair value gap exactly right here. Let's go ahead and highlight the latest bullish fair value gaps. Now I'm gonna delete that, The latest one is this one, exactly right here. Let's go ahead and proceed. Do we have more? Nothing yet, and off we go. Now, you might tell me, Chris, this is an enormous candlestick towards the downside. If we can find a way to catch the entry earlier on, and I will tell you this is not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you exactly this strategy, and you will be following the same rules. You will be taking the trade here with the stop loss, as we said, now at the bottom of this previous candlestick, which is exactly right here. The stop loss this time is larger, of course, it is 274 ticks, it is very acceptable as well, no question about that. And of course, in these situations where you have an enormous stop loss, such as this one, I don't know if you can clearly hit your 5-to-1, but maybe we can go ahead and target the beginning of this liquidity right here and the beginning of this wick, which can hold price and reverse it. So let's go for a 4-to-1 reward to risk. and we are at current price action, by the way. And let's go ahead and create our order. Actually, we will be selling, with a market execution. Your stop loss will go exactly right here, and your take profit is exactly right here. Now let's proceed with price action and let's see how this plays out. And we go ahead and we hit the take profit. Now the reason why I told you that you should be targeting this liquidity and not this liquidity right here, as you will see me saying lots of times in my live sessions, which we are doing daily, and the Discord is absolutely free, go ahead and join it and use code ChrisFX on all of the prop firms that you see on my Linktree as a matter of appreciation for the things that I'm teaching you for free. This week right here, or the large weeks in general, can hold price and they can totally reverse it as well. So this is why I would never ever target this liquidity as an example, not even these liquidities right here. I never do that. But this one you can target because this week, this remaining part can hold price and can reverse it, or whatever it can do, it can ruin your trade. So close your trade exactly right here and do not place your take profit right here at the bottom of this week. Never do that. That's an extra tip from me to you. If you liked this video, leave me a like, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be uploading lots of those videos and you will finally learn about the ChrisFX blog strategy absolutely for free in my Discord. Go to my Linktree right here, click on the first link and choose the free program. The mentoring, of course, is a paid program, but the Discord is 100% free. And choose Hola Prime or any of the other beautiful prop firms that I have. Use code ChrisFX and get the maximum discounts in the market. This is gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.